Hello and welcome to Tex-Mex Tutorials. I'm Kevin.
And I'm John.
And today we are going to start a new series about installing and maintaining your PC.
We're going to install some basic hardware in your PC today. First, we're going to install a hard drive. Then, we're going to install a PCI card, which is basically just an expansion card. And last but not least, we're going to install more RAM for your computer. Alright, so, to start, we will install this hard drive. This is a serial ATA hard drive. If you're using the old protocol, then just follow the same instructions. It's not that much different. So the first step is to find your hard drive bay. Find an empty one of these. This goes if it doesn't or does have a hard drive. It doesn't really matter. Next, just snap it in there. If your computer doesn't have one of these, then just find an empty hard drive bay where it fits and just slap it on in there. It should fit in there perfectly. So, find one of these things. This is your data bus connector. That goes right in there. That's what carries the data from your hard drive to your computer. This big thing, for some reason, is the power connector. They made it a lot bigger than the serial, but who cares? Alright, now we're going to install this PCI card. This allows your computer to access other things, just whatever. It can be anywhere from a sound card, like this one, to an Ethernet card, a wireless card, or the one thing we'll install today, some extra USB ports. Everyone needs those. So, just look on in there. You will see some extra ports right there. Just find and open one of those. If you don't have one, just take something out that you don't really need. You've got to line up those contacts. Don't try to force it into one of these. This is a express port. Those are usually used for graphics cards. Don't try to force it into that. You find a white one, that usually fits the regular PCI cards. Just snap it on in there. Afterwards, you may need to install the software and reboot your computer. So, the final thing we're going to be doing is installing RAM. This allows your computer to access memory and helps it run faster. So, it'll usually be near the heatsink, like that. Just find it, make sure you do not use the wrong kind of RAM, and make sure you set it in the right way. So it can't go like that, otherwise don't force it in, because it'll break your contacts and ruin your RAM and possibly your computer. So just snap it on in there. And guys, make sure your computer's off when you're doing this, because electrocution is quite a bit of a hazard. Alright, that concludes our video on working on your computer. Thank you.
If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe, share, and favorite. Thanks for watching.